don't look happy. What is bothering you?
Why should I be happy? I don't know what is wrong with these men we call our husbands, yet married to themselves. It's not funny. Babe, honestly, it's not.
Of course it is, because it's something I've been complaining about. I don't have option than to get used to it. So what exactly happened this time around?
Okay. I was supposed to embark on a business trip with my husband, but no, he prefers to go with his brother.
Really?
Yes.
My darling, you just have to get used to it. As a matter of fact, I share in this pain. Because my husband will also not be here. I'll be here alone missing him till they are back from the trip. So my darling, get used to it. Yes.
Oh.
Get used to it, please, and be happy.
I'll try. I'll try.
Be happy.
By the way, I heard that you're about opening your boutique.
Oh, these brothers cannot even keep a secret. Yes, I want to own a classic boutique, an exquisite, expensive, luxurious boutique.
That's
but you know what? You'll be my first client.
Oh, I'm honored. I'm honored.
I just told him this morning, I'm surprised he has told your husband already. These brothers.
Like you don't know, your proposal must pass through secret consultation. Or should I say, a panel of judges? No, House of Assembly.
No, also. But it's fine, you know it's men's world, so we just have to endure.
I know.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.